The question says analyze the following reaction and identify the nature of A and B. Okay, we have to identify the nature of A and B. You can see this is the chemical reaction given here. One reactant is there, but different reagents are given there. You can see HBr, only HBr is participating, producing product A, and in this case HBr is participating in the reaction in the presence of HV, means sunlight is there. Okay, very interesting question. And in this case product B is there. A and B we have to identify. Okay, keep in mind, if alkane is there, alkene, when alkane is there, alkene reacting with hydrogen halide, okay, there is no any peroxide effect, then we follow complete the reaction by Markovnikov rule. In this case what we have learned, anion will always attach to the carbon having less number of hydrogen in a double bonded system, okay. Now you can see HV is there, and always keep in mind, HV, if HV is there, reaction will be taking place according to free radical mechanism, and free radical mechanism leads to anti-Markovnikov rule, okay, anti-Markovnikov rule. So you can see formation of A is taking place according to Markovnikov rule, and formation of B product taking place according to anti-Markovnikov rule, because sunlight is there. Okay, sunlight. And even if the peroxide effect is there, HBr, and then we have peroxide effect, means reaction taking place according to anti-Markovnikov rule. And if you see the mechanism also, that reaction will be taking place via free radical mechanism, okay. So keep in mind. So we can complete this reaction if the reaction is taking place according to anti-Markovnikov rule. So in this case what will happen, anion will attach to the carbon which is having less number of, which is having more number of hydrogen. First we form product A. Pay attention carefully. You can see this carbon is forming 3 bond. This carbon is forming how many bond? 3 bond is there. It is forming 3 bond, means it has only 1 hydrogen. And this carbon is having 2 hydrogen are there, because it has formed only 2 bond, okay. Then according to Markovnikov rule, if I break this bond, so bromine will carry negative charge, and hydrogen will carry positive charge, okay. So anion will go to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. So we complete this reaction. In this case, if we go this side, so we have the benzene ring is there, okay. Keep the benzene ring, okay. Now next we have double bond is broken, okay. And here we have the Br will attach here, Br, okay. If Br is attaching to this carbon, then hydrogen will attach to CH2. This is the A product. We got A product is there, and reaction is completed by M rule, okay, Markovnikov rule. Only HBr is there. There is no peroxide effect. Now in this case you can see we have reaction is taking place according to anti-Markovnikov rule. Reaction will be taking place via free radical mechanism also, okay. So anyway, if you look at the substance, pay attention carefully. Benzene ring will not participate in the reaction because it is having aromatic character, okay. So it is highly stabilized. And then we have, you can see, if I break this bond, distributes, so this electron density will go this side, and this electron density will go this side, okay. So one dot will come here, one dot will come here, okay. Similarly we have HBr, so H dot and then Br dot is there, Br dot. Now complete this reaction, and anyway we are following anti-Markovnikov rule. Then Br dot, this is a free radical, Br dot will attach to the carbon having more number of hydrogen. So this carbon is having more number of hydrogen in comparison to this carbon, because it has only 1 hydrogen and it has 2 hydrogen is there. Then Br dot will connect to this carbon, hence this H dot will connect to this carbon. So you get the product. Let me write the product. Benzene ring is there, same as it is, okay. And then we get, you can see hydrogen connected here, and the Br will attach here, Br, okay, because we have to show 2 carbon, no, first carbon, second carbon, first carbon, second carbon, to the second carbon Br is attached, okay. So you can see this is A product and this is B product, and this product is formed based on anti-Markovnikov rule. We can identify any such option. You can see option A product, option C is correct, option C, okay, option C is correct. A is also not possible, and E also not possible, because A is, it is given there. Option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.